So I make people grow, I make people learn, I make people do mistakes and learn. So I support them, I encourage them, I teach them. So that's what is my passion. I see how many leaders I can create in different countries. That's my passion. So every leader is different, but that's how I get a kick seeing people progressing. Customer is there, they want everything now. So I would think what the best fit is Reo. Because we have to serve customer. We have to think in a smart way. And so I'm using two words most of the times. One, chalad. You have to be chalad. And second is Reo. TTech exists because of customers. So we have to serve them to the best. It's other way around. Employee feel more happy that now we are going to get more customer happy means more business, means more growth, meaning more bonus. Two sides of coin. I always look at growth because growth satisfies every angle, every area. If Amazon did not go for online, Facebook would have never thought online. Facebook now coming online, Amazon thinking what to do. They are going next level. That's create competition. That's good for customer. That's how simple it is. And I would give compliment to DTech management team to being very forthcoming, very agile, very flexible. At the same time guiding and nurturing the team, which probably most important at this point in time, right? To take all of them together. One team, one goal, and that's where the initiatives we took, many programs and product offerings we launched for Thai customers. I think they all appreciate it. We have done quite a lot. You are human beings. We have to keep it very light. We have to keep it happy. How to say? Bit sanuk krab. So how we are doing it is sharing lunches together, breakfast together online, creating smiles together, creating a contest, create good emojis, right? And then sharing with each other. So that becomes a kind of a way of work, that we work at the same time, have bit of fun. And that is something which is going on. But we cannot do this for long. End of the day, human beings are human beings. But I think step at a time. We will figure out as we move on how things are evolving and we adjust and adopt. That's how DTech, as a brand works in this market. Why Thailand? When we came here, probably in a month or 2 months' time, we started to love, the Thai way of living, Thai way of engaging, Thai way of food. If you look at any weekend, we generally go out in the noon time to one of the popular Thai restaurant, sometime in Terminal 21. And after that, we do some kind of shopping, either Big C or similar kind of format. And then while coming back home, we stop at donut shop. It's, Dunkin' Donut or anyone, doesn't matter. We pick up some donuts, come back home, we watch movie together. It's a very different, very new, very changed thing for us, and we like it. In last 7 years, to be very honest, we would have gone maybe 7 times for Indian restaurant outside in 7 years. It's not that we don't like, but we like. At the same time, change. Let's embrace change in the best way possible. Tomorrow is relevant today as well as tomorrow. What we need to go tomorrow, what we need to do tomorrow is even more important and more relevant. Imagine how we are going to create globally touchless offices, contactless premises. How are we going to create contactless coffee machine, contactless buttonless lift, elevators? There's a lot going to change tomorrow. And I'm sure a lot of groups, people, teams, companies already thinking the way I'm talking about, how they are going to embrace tomorrow in the way which is COVID compliant, COVID part 2 compliant, COVID part 3 compliant, because we all know this disease is here to stay. So how both things can coexist? this is going to be equally relevant. And I can tell you, DTech is also thinking at the same time, how are we going to make more digital channels, online channels available for our customers so that they continue to have smiles, and technology should be the last worry for them, from communication point of view. Pad kapaw kai. I know. With a lot of garlic.
Do you have your specific restaurant or just any pad kapao on the street vendor is fine?
No, this ban kanita. But we cook at home. Our home is better than ban kanita. Today also I had afternoon.
I will make sure that your wife gets it ready.